National Weather Service teams were surveying storm damage Thursday in the Chicago area and northeast Illinois, where fierce winds from tornadoes ripped roofs from buildings, downed trees and sent residents scrambling for safety as sirens sounded. 4 teams from the Weather Service headed out Thursday morning to inspect storm damage reported Wednesday across numerous areas of the Chicago metropolitan area and points farther west to determine if tornadoes caused the damage, said Zachary Yak, a meteorologist with the Weather Service's Chicago area office. As of Thursday afternoon, the Weather Service confirmed at least 7 low-grade tornadoes, including one that touched down in the Cicero area, near O'Hare International Airport. The twister sent passengers dashing for shelter at the airport and disrupted hundreds of flights, but no injuries were reported. A line of severe storms produced a rare combination of multiple tornadoes, hurricane-force winds and softball-sized hail in West Texas. Teams continue to examine damage, the Weather Service's Chicago area office said on Twitter. Ty Ka, a resident of the Skyline Motel in McCook, Illinois, said a tornado tore off its roof. "Just chaos," Ka said, cradling a toddler as he spoke to reporters. "It was really fast, and the noises and the crackling and the wind, it was just something I've never seen or been through, you know."